Hi Clearview teens, it's Amy. Thanks for your submissions for the Summer Adventure Program Challenge number 2. We loved seeing what you're reading this summer. For challenge number 3, we have something special planned for you. Tell me, have you ever wondered what Turkish Delight from The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe tastes like? What about butterbeer cupcakes from Harry Potter? For challenge number 3, we'd like you to read a book that at some point during the story describes a dish or a meal, find a recipe for that dish or meal, and get cooking. If a recipe doesn't exist for the dish or meal, make one up yourself. After your creation is complete, send us a picture. You can submit your picture via email to submissions@clearviewlibrary.org using the subject line challenge number 3, or you can tag us on Instagram or Facebook using hashtag ClearviewAdventure. All participants will be included in a drawing for a Pelican Joe's gift certificate, a Human Bean free drink coupon, and a book. Additionally, all participants will be included in a grand prize drawing for an Amazon gift card and a Human Bean free drink card, or a camera tripod and a Human Bean free drink card. And please join me on July 20th as I make scrumptious butterbeer cupcakes with my own teens at home. This cooking video will be featured on Clearview Teen Instagram as well as on YouTube channel, which can be found at clearviewlibrary.org, Clearview Library. If you're looking for more cooking programming, join the Teen Cooking Challenge on July 13th and August 10th. I can't wait to see your creations.